All right, I wanted to do a quick screen record of just kind of what the experience is searching for TLDs and domain names on Freename. So they have one main search box here, and you're going to use it to get both TLDs, meaning like these examples here, .sound or .yolo or .pump, and that means you own the whole top level domain, .something. And if you buy the royalties program, then you can make money from people registering domain names in your TLD. Then the other thing you can do is you can own domain names made up of your keyword in another already existing TLD. One of the most popular ones is .metaverse. So say I've just seen an article and it was all about a company that sells shoes. So I say, well, I'm going to get something related to shoes. I'm going to sell shoes in the metaverse. So if I go to shoes and it says protected, that just means that it's a domain name that the Freename business development team is holding back for later to either do a specific partnership or something else. But then you can go with some variation sometimes. Like I might want to go for .shoe store, and then I can sell people, men's .shoe store or women's .shoe store or sneakers .shoe store, things like that. So sometimes if the domain name that you're after is reserved or has a real high price, you can still use a variation. Um, the other way to go is you can add a shoe store at the end, or maybe you can add a my at the beginning, and that can create a variation like my shoes. So now I can have the TLD my shoes, and then some other words you can sometimes put at the beginning are, I like using virtual sometime. So I can do virtual shoes, and then that creates a TLD that's available for the minimum price of $79. As you can see here, you can also put emojis in your domain names. And so it's just a way to play around with different things by putting words at the end like store, or putting words at the beginning like my or virtual. So I hope that's helpful as you're searching for domain names.